y'all know I love me a good La Synthetica just as much as the next girl, but $70? $70?
I'm addicted to finessing. I'm addicted to finessing. I'm addicted to finessing.
Hey internet besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel and another incredible voiceover by yours truly. On today's video, we're going to be installing the new Outre Julianne unit. This is from their Perfect Hairline collection. As you guys can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. This is a textured unit. It is kind of like a kinky straight, more of like a blowout texture. There are 2 combs up near the temple, 1 comb in the back, as well as an elastic band. And y'all, I just have to tell y'all, I picked this up from Elevate Styles for $69, 69 American dollars and 98 cents. I feel a way about that, as you can clearly tell from the intro, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So I'm just kind of like adjusting the unit, seeing how I want it to lay on my head. I ended up taking the wig cap off because it looked way more natural with the wig cap off, and this sometimes happens for me when the hairline is pre-plucked. It just looks better without the wig cap. It looks less wiggy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that down. Right now I'm just putting the combs in. If you guys are interested in skipping around, because I know that my videos sometimes can be a little lengthy and y'all know I talk too damn much, go ahead and check the description box. I have timestamps. So anyway, back to the install. I'm gonna go ahead and use my eyebrow razor just to cut the lace off. Again, y'all know my longtime subbies, I love to use the eyebrow razor for this because it gives more of a natural looking hairline as opposed to that big round little dome circle that you get when you use scissors sometimes. So girl, you want to zigzag, and the eyebrow razor is the best way to do that. Now that the lace is cut off, I'm gonna go in with my pressed powder. I use the same shade or as close to the same shade as my foundation. You want your lace to be the same shade or as close as possible to your foundation. Please don't be out here with no orange shaded lace, okay? Your scalp is not orange, sis, okay? It's upsetting me and the ancestors, and we gotta do better in 2022. And this is the final look. As you guys can see, I kind of went in and decided to just go ahead and do a side part there. I really love how full this unit is. Here's a close-up of what the hairline is looking like. Very, very natural. And again, I did not glue her down. And then this is what the back looks like. And now we'll just kind of go into my final thoughts. Okay, so final thoughts on this unit. This unit is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Mimics natural hair very well. It looks like a good like blowout. Kind of is giving me blowout vibes. I love textured units, but I especially love textured units that are like full with body and also curly. I love a good like curly textured hair unit. The hairline is impeccable. I didn't have to do very much to her. I didn't pluck her. I literally just cut off the lace and just added some powder, as you guys saw in the clip. I also didn't have to glue her down, got to be glue her down, tape her down, anything like that. This unit was a pretty snug fit on me, so if you have a larger head like myself, big head gang, check in down below in the comment section. If you have a big head like I do, you're gonna have a snug fit. This lace is soft as well, so keep that in mind when you're putting this unit on if you have a larger head, because when I was stretching it, and I have nails on right now, I felt like, am I about to rip this lace? So keep that in mind. This is a soft lace unit and it is pretty snug, especially once you get the elastic band on. The positive side to that is you ain't gotta worry about your wig slipping and sliding because it's pretty secure. But the negative side to that is if you put the combs in, because it's tighter and this wig is a little bit more dense, you increase the chances of you adding tension to your edges, but also you can cause just some tension headaches and stuff like that if your wig is too tight, which I think a lot of people don't really talk about. But girl, tension headaches, wig headaches are a real thing. I'm here to tell you, okay? I can't wait till I get home to snatch my wig off because sometimes I have a whole migraine situation going on. It is the perils of having a big ass dome. The thing is though, this unit is a great unit, beginner friendly, love the hairline, love the density, love the texture, but it's not worth $70. And let me tell you why. Listen, here's my axe to grind. So this unit, albeit very, very pretty, very nice, natural, beginner friendly, beautiful hairline, expertly done. Like I really love this unit. It's perfect for the holidays. I will say that my con with this unit is she's tangling on me already. I know it's a textured unit and this is to be expected with a textured unit, specifically synthetic hair units, but I just got her out the pack. She's already tangling at the nape. I do see some tangles, not a ton of shedding, a couple hairs here and there, not a ton of shedding, but definitely some tangles. and that's to be expected. However, you are giving us hairline from the Solana wig and the texture from the Nisha wig, which are both reasonably priced units, and you are telling us that this is a tomato and not a tomato, and you need to upcharge us to $70, and I'm just not here for it. These companies that produce synthetic units have lost their doggone minds with the prices that I've been seeing. Like, we're teetering to the edge of like, if I'm gonna be charged $70, $80, $90, $100 for a synthetic unit, I might as well just take the plunge and get a human hair unit. Granted, I do like the throw and go of a synthetic unit because it's already styled for me and I don't really have to worry about it. It's gonna stay in this style. But like, these prices is getting a little out of control. Again, really great unit, but that's above what the high price point would be for a regular synthetic unit. Even Friday Night Hair, I think back when Friday Night Hair was like popping, and I mean, she still is, their units were like $50, and that was considered back then like, oh, that's expensive. Like, right, that was like a higher price point for a synthetic unit. So this being priced at $70 in some stores is... So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. What do you think of these units like consistently increasing their price? Like the price of synthetic units, I feel like, let me know if I'm crazy, but I feel like it's been like skyrocketing over the past few years. I mean, I've been doing YouTube since 2016, 2017. I may be dating my YouTube self. And I remember when we had a good $20, $25 chuck, and like the $50 price point of Friday Night Hair was considered expensive. Like Friday Night Hair was like a high-end synthetic unit that was more expensive than your norm. And it's similar quality. Like they've been doing what they've been doing with the lace, specifically like the melted hairline and the what lace units, right? Like they've been doing the things. But I just don't think that it's worth that much of an increase in price. I don't know. Just my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give this video a like, and I will catch you in my next one.